Hey YouTubers, welcome back to this amazing video that I have, which is a collaboration with Pumpkin's Nail Station, and it's all about glitter. Mine is going to be focused on summer vacation beach nails, and here are some of the products that I will be using to create this manicure. So let's get into it. I was at the river the other day and broke a few of my nails, my thumb being the worst. So I'm going to leave that one alone and just focus on these four. I'm going to jump right into my regular nail prep and going to shape these. It is a bit harder to shape shorter nails, but I am still doing it. And in today's video, I'm going to attempt to put nail tips on these two middle fingers. This is my first time using a wooden cuticle pusher, and I have to say it was harder and felt more rough on my nails, so I switched right back to my regular metal stainless steel one, and it works like a dream. This is one of my favorite prepping tools. What do you guys prefer? Do you like the stainless steel cuticle pushers, or do you use the bamboo sticks? After I push back my cuticles, I am going to gently buff the surface of my nail plate to remove any shine. I know it looks rough, but that was really soft and gentle. I just fast forwarded the clips. So here I am sizing the tip to fit my nails, and I'm going to attempt to put this on. And I have to be honest with you guys, this was very intimidating, and I don't know why. It freaked me out doing these, to be honest. I don't think I'm a tip person. I think I'm a form person. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get some forms and try to build nails that way if I ever have short nails like this, because these tips didn't work at all. And I'm pretty sure the Kiara base is stronger than any nail glue. So I just freaked me out. So I'm just going to get some acetone and remove whatever base I had left. And we're just going to go right into my manicure, starting with Kiara's Bond. I'm going to apply that to all the already prepped nails. And then we're going to go right in with Kiara's base. As always, I build my nail strength with applying the base to 3/4 quarter of the nail first and dipping in. I repeat this process to all 4 fingers. Alright, so this sometimes happens. I don't fret. I just usually redip, and if it doesn't stick to the resin, I move on to my next finger and dip that. And reasons for that happens is usually I wait too long before dipping and the resin dries a little bit. So you just keep going. After 3/4 quarter, I move the base up just a little bit and dip again. And here we are back to the other nail. I build the strength up, going a little bit hairline more up. And we are going to dip, and this should stick, as you can see. And I'm going to repeat this process to these 2 nails. After this pinky, I applied the base one more time to my cuticle down off camera and came back on, and we're going to apply the Seal Protect. I used to make my nails thick, but recently I have been doing them more thin, and I really like that because I don't have to shape or file down as much. So I know this looks rough, but it is fast forwarded. Let me know what you all like better in the comments below. Do you like your nails being thick or on the thinner side? After shaping, I apply my second and last Seal Protect to cure and set that all in. And after I apply that, I take a lint-free cosmetic sponge and smush that in and wipe down to press the Seal Protect in even more. So off camera, I applied Queen's Liquid Latex, and we are gonna go right in to the glitter nail art portion of this video. This is my first time working with glitters, so let's see how this goes. For my index finger, I wanted to do a purple blue gradient because I am going to stamp a mermaid on top of this nail. So I'm using this wedge to create that look. For the middle finger, I am just putting a light coat layer of this Color Club glitter, and I'm focusing in random spots. And then on my ring finger, I'm taking the LA colors, taking more of the chunky glitters and putting them in random spots as well. And then the pinky, I'm taking this Color Club and focusing on my tip and doing a little ombre going up. Gonna remove the latex. And this is what my nails look like after applying the glitter nail polish. I really love this look. Now we are going to get right into the clear jelly stamping. I'm going to use Susie's plate again because with glitter, that's all I saw was ocean. So I'm going to start with the mermaid, and I'm going to take this pink and I'm going to use that as her hair and stamp down. And for my middle finger, I will be applying this beautiful seashell at the very top of the nail. And I just love how these products layer. I love it. And for my pinky, I wanted to use these layered little seahorses. Seahorses are one of my favorite animals in the sea. If I could own them and have a saltwater aquarium in my house, I would, but they're really hard to take care of. I've watched so many YouTube videos on them. They're just beautiful. So I'm going to layer my pinky with that. I don't know why I went straight to my pinky instead of the ring finger, but for the ring finger, I will be creating a little story with these beautiful waves and a cute jellyfish. And I'm going to apply a little of that Color Club glitter on top of the little jellyfish. And this is what the nails look like before I apply the gel top coat. Ever since I received my Kiara Sky gel products, I have been using this no wipe top gel for all my nail art. It doesn't smudge and really brings to life these images. I absolutely love topping all my manicures with a gel top coat now versus the Kiara Sky's dipping system top coat. And top this manicure off with some cuticle oil, rub that in, and here are the final results. Like I said, this is my first time doing glitter. I really love the nail polishes that I chose. I think it came out really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And thank you, Sarah Pumpkin from Pumpkin's Nail Station, for inviting me on this glitter collaboration. I had so much fun creating this look with all of my new friends. Subscribe to Sarah Pumpkin's Nail Station. I'll link her YouTube in my description below. And be sure to also check out all of the other creators on the playlist and their videos as well, because they killed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this glitter look, and be sure to also check out the playlist. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and be safe. Bye.